cool. Father Bobber here. You might notice the lack of beard. Maybe I'm younger Bobber now. Anyway, I'm going on a long trip today down to Frankfurt. Starting the day out with some avocado toast. But I'm gonna go explore the capital where Daniel Boone is buried, down in Frankfurt, Kentucky, and just see what's up. I'm not gonna record the whole trip down there. I'll probably pick it up when I get close somewhere, because it's a long ways away. I just need a day by myself to, I don't know, I just need a day and a trip. So I'm going to take a little trip. Don't mind my floofy drink, it's hot. So we'll pick back up somewhere down by Frankfurt. Alright. I'm going to enjoy my avocado toast first. Guess who's a big dumb idiot and forgot his audio recorder? That guy. Hippie's Trail. So it looks like we're gonna be voiceovering, but it's a beautiful ride, so. Look at this. So I figured I'd pull off. I wanna go across this bridge real quick. I'm just taking a break because I've been at it for a while. I don't know what waterway this is. Actually, I just discovered this media mod has an aux input, so it doesn't require a adapter. It's pretty cool. I can't show it because it's on the camera, but it's got 3 inputs. It's got the directional mic, it's got the charging input, this aux import, I guess, and it's got the USB import, or input. Pretty nifty little mod. It's like a big case with a, I'll put a picture or something up. Anyway, I'm gonna take me a little break and a little cat. So I guess I do have my mic with me, I just don't have my audio recorder. So I guess I'm gonna try to plug up my mic to this and throw it up in the old helmet. See how that goes. See you back on the road. Alright, I've lost this hat too many times. It is not going on the belt anymore. It goes in the bag, nice and safe. see how this goes. I did a little test. Anyway, here's the, I'd like to know what that is. Maybe there's a sign. But I did a little test, and it seemed to work all right. But I wasn't actually moving. But I did start the bike. But this is the medium mod. It's like 70 bucks. Now the only problem I could see with this setup here is where I have the cord plugged in. It doesn't let me tilt my camera back as much as I would like. So if this works out, I'll find a mic cable that I could plug in, and it's got a 90 on it. I'm headed down to Frankfort, Kentucky, our state capital. Haven't been there since I was like 5. The Capitol building is really pretty, and there's some breweries down there. I just needed a day by myself. Summer's coming to a close. Autumn is quickly approaching. It's beautiful around here in the fall. Now, of course, I'm going to ride all through the fall and winter. Well, not all through the winter. I mean, select days. I'll still ride, and I'll still put out some stuff. We got 8 minutes. Man, this road sucks. Is that the Jack Nicholson Joker? Maybe? What is this? Oh, it's a big Batman building. That's neat. I should get pictures in front of that. My kids will love it. Bourbon. Cool mural. State Arsenal. What's that mean? Kentucky Military History Museum. Maybe I'll go there later. Frankfort Cemetery. You know I gotta. Look at all these dead people. I do remember the grave overlooking the Capitol building, and that's it. That's beautiful. Alright, who's this? Kentucky's martyr governor? I'm gonna have to check that out. But you're not Daniel Boone. I want Daniel Boone. Danny boy. God, look at that Capitol building. Some above ground sarcophagi. Who's that? It's not Daniel Boone. Daniel Boone. How cool would it be? It looks like there's some fresh graves. How cool would it be to be like, oh yeah, I'm buried next to Daniel Boone. No big deal. It's gorgeous up here. Really enjoying this camera. It's a Panasonic LX7. It's pretty old, but you know, seems to be doing the job. He's been here for a long time. Look, the tree's pushing him up. What's up, guys? That's gonna be it for part 1 because I tend to lose interest after like 5 minutes or so. This one's closer to 10. In part 2, I'm really excited about because I visited the Capitol. I took a little self-guided tour and I want everybody to see it. It's gorgeous. So I'm making that a separate part so maybe people won't cut the video off or stop watching the video before that part comes. Trust me, you want to see it. I thought I got more footage from the cemetery and of the actual grave and around it, but for some reason I can't find it. Maybe I didn't get it. Maybe I jacked it up somehow, I don't know. Anyway, thanks for watching, everybody. Like and subscribe and do all that, and remember, I love you. I'll see you next time.